Can you believe this? We can generate professional videos like this without writing single line of code, without editing. We can generate these type of professional videos by using AI, just instructing, and AI will generate these type of videos that to top notch quality, and we can generate up to 4K videos by using single instruction. Yeah, it is possible. We can explain everything in this video clearly. Hi guys, welcome back to brand new video. In this video, we will add an extra skills, and we can generate videos, and we can expect better results compared to before video. You have seen the past video about we have generated a good video without any editing, as well as we can't download those videos and edit those videos. We can just generate videos in a single go, and it is successfully completed. Like before, we have successfully generated videos, and now we have added an extra skills with this project to get better and good results compared to before we can expect. And we are instructing agent of generate a DevOps video explaining explanation of 1 minute video, and we can expect better results compared to before video what we have seen. And yeah, we have added a couple of some GitHub skills on this project to get better results. We can compare both videos side by side without adding the skills, and with adding these skills, and we can check both videos. And we are successfully instructed the agent minimax m2.5 agent, and the agent is thinking, and like it is saying, it will I will create a remotion DevOps video project for you. Let me scaffold and build the composition. And yeah, it will take 3 to 5 minutes, max 10 minutes, uh, to create scenes about what we have instructed, like DevOps video. It will create scenes in every second, and after generating the scenes, like it will write a code and generate those video and render those video, and we can see the output after render the video. Yeah, it will take up to 10 minutes. We will back after generated the video, and we have seen, like we are waiting for agent to complete the task, and we have seen the scenes that written the agent. And yeah, we have seen, like the agent is um, instructing, like you need to generate the video by using these instructions. We have instructed that generate video, and by using this instruction, agent generate video by using those commands what suggested, uh, like by rendering the project, and wait for the rendering the process. Yeah, we will be back after the video successfully generated. Yeah, we have seen the video. It is successfully generated, and we can check the output, how good it is. And we have seen the interface DevOps explained in the 60 seconds, and it is a good explanation and highlighting. And yeah, DevOps life cycle: plan, code, build, test, deploy, operate, monitor. And the elevation is good, and explaining every step with an emoji style is good compared to before. and we have seen the bars and the CI/CD pipeline stages: code push, build, test, staging, production. Everything is top notch quality. Can you believe? Like, can you believe this? We can generate videos without any editing. We can just write the code and generate these professional videos. Yeah, it is possible. We have generated a professional videos. We have generated only 1080p videos, but while generating 4K videos, get better results. Yeah, we have seen the professional interfaces and all: Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, Prometheus, GitHub. These are the popular DevOps tools. Yeah, it is the professional video generated using this project by adding an extra skills. And yeah, interface is good. Is top notch interface explanation. And yeah, we can see the process of how to install open code. And this is the process: open Google Chrome and search open code. And after that, we have seen the like open code website. We can just click on the website, and we have multiple options. By using these commands, we can install in Mac and on Linux also. And while downloading Windows, we need to click on this option. We have multiple operating systems are there. In my machine, it will be like I will download using Windows because my machine is Windows. And we have seen the installer is downloading, and I had already for my machine I had already downloaded and set up open code. And you can download those installation file, and you need to double click and install open code software, and you can start working on that and generate these type of professional videos. We have seen it done a good job, generate a professional video without writing a single line of code. We are just instructing the agent, and the agent will write the scenes and write the code line by line and generate those video. We have seen the good results compared to before. Definitely we are seeing good results compared to before video what we have seen, the scenes and all. And I will in the comment about the GitHub skills what I had used. Uh, you can just clone those skills, and you can start using those skills by generating the video. And that's it for this video. Hope you understand the concept clearly. If you understand my explanation, you can like, share, and subscribe. We can do better and much more interesting videos in future. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.